Oke, kali ini kita akan unboxing converter untuk soundcard V8 ya. Ini sih biasanya supaya suaranya bisa bagus untuk ditaruh di akompani instrumen. Baru sampai hari ini, langsung aja kita unboxing.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got you saying she laughing and dancing.
Kosong.
I'm not what she asking to crash with me. Smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly.
Ini dia.
I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I
Khusus
have just to feel
alatnya.
I fight to live, I fight to strive.
Masih harus kita buka lagi.
I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground running. Up and
ini dia
ain't nothing.
alatnya.
Rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget. From nothing to something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full.
Jadi ini bisa langsung dimasukin untuk gitar ya. Ini kabel penghubungnya. Oke, nanti kita coba di video selanjutnya. Terima kasih buat yang udah nonton. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Oke, see you.